Mama had to work today, I'm telling you. Today we're celebrating my daughter's sweet 16. So we got everything set up for her and her social distance friends. We got her dad on the grill, her sister. Yeah, so yeah, we gotta make this happen, you know. It takes a village, okay? It takes a village. Community, a village, whatever. But this is her. She's looking so beautiful. Say hi. Oh, she's always acting bashful. Lord have mercy. What am I gonna do? Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Marie. Happy birthday to you. You ain't like the candles. What happened to the candles?
That's what I'm saying. Y'all don't even like the candles.
Your dad was supposed to light the candles.
You want me to cut the cake? You don't even like the candles.
So we got to do the... No, I did not. I said she not blowing the cake. Where your candle?